It's mid-July. It's hot. It's about 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Sitting in my living room. So it's summertime, and my kids are playing outside, hitting the volleyball, but I'm inside the house in the living room with my laptop open. My screen is glowing bright with a blank screen. I am thinking of my next marketing campaign, what I'm going to use to attack in my marketing arsenal this time. So I decide I'm going back and trying YouTube. So I decide to start with YouTube Shorts. And because I feel it's overwhelming to try to do some long form content of any kind, something 8 to 10 minutes long. YouTube Shorts are under 3 minutes and they have to be in a certain format, vertical format. But I thinking, what if my stuff sucks? Or what if I don't get any views? What if nobody likes my video? That's some of the things that are going in my. Have you ever felt so tangled up in so many worries that you don't feel like doing anything at all? That's what I felt in that day in mid-July. But I went ahead and created a 1 minute short, edited down from a 4 minute video, and I finally uploaded it. I did it. And remember, action is always the best way out of a brain tangle. So if you ever feel like your brain is all tangled up, do a little action step. Take action. But I want to talk to you today, especially if you're working hard on an online project, but maybe you feel like you're stuck about how you're going to make money online. You're struggling on what your next opportunity, your next angle for your side hustle online, how you're going to attack that. Maybe you have lots of ideas swirling in your head, and I get it because that happens to everyone, especially when you're dreaming big, when you have big goals. But let me tell you, let me share with you a powerful quote that I love. Listen to this. You can't plow a field by turning it over in your mind. Action is the seed. Results are the harvest. It's an old Irish proverb. And wow, it really means something. So I want to break it down together with you. So imagine you want to grow the best garden ever. You could close your eyes and picture all the flowers and veggies, but unless you get outside and plant the seeds, nothing is going to happen. Thinking is great, but doing is what creates change. It's exactly the same with your online business. You might have dreams of a cool website or a great funnel offer that's going to attract lots of new leads or helping tons of people through your digital ebook that solves a major problem in your marketplace. But until you take action, until you share or promote that digital asset, it's just a dream. Action is the seed. That means every little thing you do, building an email list, posting on social media, making a new video and posting that, learning something new that you actually apply, reaching out to a potential customer. That's like planting a seed in your field. You never know which seed will turn into a huge, beautiful plant. But if you don't plant any seeds, nothing can grow. And results are the harvest. That's when you start to see the rewards of your efforts, all your efforts. You make money, you help people, you change lives, you see your business grow. And in time, you'll see your business thrive. But remember, the only way to harvest is to plant those seeds first. So if you're struggling right now, please, please don't give up. Don't just think about your dreams. Take tiny actions every single day. Post, share, send emails, follow up on your emails, make your products, make your digital products, learn new things and apply those things you learn. Keep working. Even when you're not sure it's working yet. All those actions add up. So I want to tell you, you can do this. You have the power to make your dreams real. Each small action plants a seed. Each day you keep moving forward, you're getting closer to that amazing harvest. So it's now September and I'm still doing YouTube shorts. And believe it or not, I went from having less than 1,000 views on my channel to over 70,000 video views. And it's rising each day just by taking little actions over a couple of months, going on 3 months. And by the way, my metric is simple. If I can just get one view from that video, I know I'm helping somebody out there in the YouTube world, and I'm good with that. So take action. Let's take action together. Let's take action today and watch what grows. And keep going, keep believing, and soon you'll be so proud of your field and awesome results you've made. You've got this. I'm cheering for you. I'm cheering with you. So now go and plant those seeds. Your harvest is waiting. I'm Adriel. Be blessed and be a blessing. I'll see you on the next one.